Hi guys, for today's vlog, I will show you on how to properly use your Jade rollers. So basically, I'm starting my roller from the bottom, going up, from the side, usually in the middle, going on the sides of your neck. Just make sure don't put too much pressure on your skin. So hindi natin gusto na i-pull out yung skin natin. Just do it smooth and light, rolling all around your skin like this. So usually you can repeat it 3 times from each side with a 4 session. Next, on our jawline, from the middle of the chin, roll down on the neck, going down. Just do it smooth, going roll, going down, up and down. Repeat it after 3 times or as long as you want. Just make sure don't put too much pressure on your skin because we don't want to pull your skin more roughly. Next one is the middle of the lip going up to the cheeks, just rolling from side to side, going up, and on the other side, same, from the middle of the lips up to the cheeks. Next one, from the nose side, going up on your temporal side, just roll it up. This is to promote circulation on your face and for exfoliation also, and it helps when you're using your skincare products to deeply penetrate on your skin. The small roller used for the eyes, from the middle, start from the middle up to the temporal side of your face, roll it up, slow rolling to promote circulation. And also you can use this one around your eyes because we have too much pressure, especially for the whole day of work. Just try to relax. And next, on our eyebrows, roll from side to side, going up to release pressure for your whole day work. You can repeat from this side to the other side. Usually you can do it on your early morning routine. Personally, I'm using it in the morning and in the night, or whenever your skin wants you to relax.
So that is the general principle on how to use your Jade roller. However, you can use this one every morning and evening after you wash your face or anytime you feel your skin needs to be smoothened and relaxed. Thank you for watching my vlog and see you on my next video.